Hi, this is Gary Kayye. We're here at ISE 2024, and I'm here in the EvertzAV booth here in Hall 4, and I'm here with Mo Goyal. And Mo, I think that start at the beginning. For a lot of people in Pro AV, you've been in the broadcast market, dominating broadcast for many, many years, and in the command and control center market. But I think for Pro AV, I think a lot of companies don't think of your organization. So why don't you tell them a little bit about what you do and where you fit in the ecosystem?
Sure. Yeah. So welcome to the AV group here. So EvertzAV is a division of Evertz.
Yeah.
We've been doing the AV space for about 7 to 10 years. And one of the things that we found was this was an interesting market where, as we see with broadcast, video is becoming a primary tool to get messages across.
Yeah.
And what's becoming quite evident is that you need to be able to deliver that message reliably and high quality, and basically distribute to larger audiences, as well as a visual tool in terms of like you said, command centers and things like that. So when you think about military or government kind of applications, the need for high resolution like UHD becomes a need, and the ability to kind of showcase that or deliver that in an infrastructure like a network operations center, but even to control rooms and things like that. So we have that experience in the broadcast space. We felt that was an opportunity for us to bring that to the AV space. So that's where we started that, sort of building that and sort of building the business around that.
And you've been doing SMPTE 2110 for a long time, obviously in the broadcast space. And interestingly enough, timing-wise, you have the AIMS Alliance and IPMX bringing an AV over IP standard into Pro AV using SMPTE 2110. So it's natural. I see that you've got your IPMX Open Standards demo station back there. It's natural that you help bring that along in the Pro AV market.
Yeah, I mean, one of the challenges that, unlike the broadcast space, right, previously there was SDI, a common interface where every device was able to plug into any device. So you had the option of a best of breed from all the vendors. And when we went to 2110, we wanted to maintain that philosophy that any vendor could plug into any other vendor over a common interface. Within the Pro AV space, you had a lot of different technologies out there, whether it was no commonality, it was all proprietary information or interfacing that was going on. So as part of the AIMS group and as part of the workforce that we're trying to do is we're trying to bring the learnings that we did with 2110 into the Pro AV space so that you can bring in an open specification that a number of vendors can work towards and basically plug and play and bring the best of everything, all the different vendors, into one common ecosystem and not have to worry as the end user, will that work with that, or am I limited to what I can choose because it's a proprietary interface?
Do you have an AV over IP infrastructure like ecosystem yet, or are you just saying, hey, we're going to develop it based on IPMX?
So again, we've been the development of IPMX is a continuation of the work that we've been doing with 2110. So we've basically deployed 2110 amongst the top media companies in the world. So we have hundreds of installs with that. So we've got that experience already, and we've already deployed a lot of the IP technology amongst customers in the Pro AV space with that MMA 10G technology, as well as our Nucleus technology. So
which is the command and control center management broadcast center stuff.
And for us, it's about the really couple options for the industry, right? You're going to find those that are looking very cost conscious, but flexible architecture, the ability to do UHD over IP. Maybe that's where Nucleus fits in, right? But then there's maybe those that want to have a secure, uncompressed video signal, low latency, and a way to move video around it. That's where the MM10G using IPMX comes in. So we're offering different flavors, but really with the IPMX, we're trying to kind of narrow the options down to a single interface that everyone can use.
Yeah, and so that regardless of the bandwidth or the signal resolution, maintenance, and distance you want to go, you still want to be able to control it with the same interface and have compatibility and connectivity with anyone that's out there. So if I want to learn more information about your ecosystem, I go to EvertzAV.com. EvertzAV.com?
Oh, no, av.evertz.com.
av.evertz.com, EvertzAV.com. We're going to actually go around and shoot individual product videos at each one of these stations so you can see the product line. So if you're in broadcast, in-house broadcast, if you're in streaming, if you're in command and control network operations centers or unified communications, those are the 5 areas that you could probably find something from Evertz that would help you. And I think Nucleus would be a good place to start. So check it out. We're going to shoot individual product videos. Type in Evertz in the video search window at raypubs.com/ISE, or of course go to av.evertz.com.
Perfect.
Hey Mo, thank you very much.
No problem.
It. I appreciate your willingness to do this, and congratulations.
Thank you. Appreciate it.